Here we see the underlayment wasn't ran all the way over the ridge cap, which could cause leaks and decking damage with heavy wind-driven rain and snow. We see the rake metal and eave flashing are both installed improperly. This causes leaks to the fascia and soffit areas. The step flashing is cheap thin metal that is already corroding. The underlayment was cut short of the wall, causing potential leaks along the sidewall. Along the rake, the previous roofer didn't run the underlayment to the edge of the roof. This causes wind-blown rain and leaks to get under the shingles, causing rot and damage to the soffit and fascia. We see this so often when a homeowner tells us they went with the cheapest bid, and then we were out within a few years fixing leaks. Talk to your local roofer about the entire installation process. Ask them how many roofs they have personally installed. Ask them what their supervision process is.